Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the Bronica lenses and how to adapt them to different systems like the Fuji GFX and the Nikon Z, but the same goes for pretty much all the cameras out there. So I recently made a video where I was out in the woods shooting the Bronica system and comparing it to the Fuji GFX, and I said then that in order to get the correct aperture there is a preview button here that you need to hold down when you shoot. Now, I have some very knowledgeable viewers out there. There is another trick you can do to make this work a bit better, and it's not very obvious at all, so I'm very thankful for them to point this out. So I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to show you what you need for kit in order to adapt the Bronica lenses to the different systems. So let's check it out. Okay, let's begin with the Fuji GFX, what you need for that. So here I got this little monstrosity of an attraction here, and I got to take the lens off. So what this consists of, it's two parts. You got the Photodiox Pro SQ to PK, so it goes to a Pentax mount, Pentax K mount, and from the Pentax K mount it then goes to a GFX mount. So I can take that part off, and I'll take this part off. So the reason I'm getting two parts, you could maybe, well, you can't get the full Bronica SQ to GFX directly. You need an intermediate like this, but it also fits very well because after that I can just pick up any adapter like this Nikon Z, Pentax K to Nikon Z, and I can just make connect these things together. See red dots there. And now this goes into my Nikon ZF as well. So that's pretty neat and handy. And they are a bit pricey, these ones. I can't imagine they sell too many of these SQA adapters. So you only want to get one piece and then use intermediates to get them to your whatever cameras after that. So it's as easy as that. And I find this works really well. I've had zero problems with that at all. I don't think you lose much of sharpness or anything like that. So that's good, right? Okay, let's bring the pieces together. So just gotta line up the red dots. That's one. Second part, and the lens goes there. So now we've assembled our Frankenstein's monster. And yeah, it's quite a contraption. I think it looks pretty cool. And that's what it looks like. It's kind of heavy to carry around, so that's maybe not something you want to do. You need to put it on a nice tripod. And this is the feature I was talking about before in that video. It's if you set it to anything else than the lowest, in this case it's f4 for the 150mm. If you set it to f11 and you want to actually shoot at f11, because now it's always going to be at the widest opening when you shoot. So what you got to do then is you can either hold down this preview button here, and then you just fire, and that works very well. But you have, of course, you can introduce some shake because of this, and that's not good, of course. So you want to get rid of that. Okay, so in order to get this to work, instead of using the preview button here, you got to flip the lens around to the other side. You will see a little pin, and you will see an A next to it. Now you got to get this pin out. It can be a bit problematic, but there it is. And then you flip this over to what's called the T mode. So the T mode is kind of a bulb mode, which keeps the shutter open at all times. But that's not all you got to do. You got to flip the lens around here, and you can see this is for the shutter, to cock the shutter. At the moment it's closed, so we need to open it. So we look around on the ring of the lens. There should be a little silver pin somewhere. There it is. So you got to press that in, and then you got to twist until you hear a click, like so. So now the shutter is completely open, and if you go with the aperture ring, it's going to go up and down, open and close. So I'm going to align these up. It's a little bit tricky because I think it's the reverse way. It's like a Nikon. It operates in the reverse way, but now it's on. Okay, get this thing on here as well. And that should do it. And now when I twist the ring there, it's going to be fully functional. So, and that was that. That's how you adapt a Bronica lens the correct way to your Fuji GFX or to your other camera. So I think these lenses, they really deserve to be shot way more than they are. They are absolutely lovely lenses. They got some special warmth to it, and the bokeh is amazingly painterly. I really love these lenses. They have something special to bring. So I think now with when I don't have to use this preview button, I can actually go around and handle these when I'm shooting it, and it's going to be a game changer for me for sure. So if you like that, please like and subscribe, and check back next time for some more tips and tricks and videos about photography. Thanks.